right, here is the second log video. I'm going to work a few of them and then let you practice some more. So the first one here, evaluate without a calculator, log base 2 of 1 over root 2. Log base 2 of 1 over root 2. Okay, you don't necessarily have to have the parentheses. What I notice in this one is I can see that I can get this part right here written to have a base of 2. And so this is log base 2 of 1 over, this is 2 to the 1/2. Well, since it's in the denominator, I can say that that's log base 2 of 2 to the negative 1/2 power. The bases are the same, your answer is just a negative 1/2. Cool? Okay, let's jump to, oh, you know what? I did this one in the previous video. You just got lucky. Let's look at this one. No. Go practice. You can do them. Go check my answer key if you're stumped. The next one, they say write the following without logarithms. So this is log of A is equal to log of B plus 2 log C. Well, okay. Log of A is equal to, I can make this become the exponent. And then since this is addition, I can squish it together with multiplication. And so therefore, these have an understood base of 10, so A would have to equal BC squared. Cool? Go try some of the other ones. This one, oh, you know what? I'm going to do D with you. That's the natural log of K is equal to E times the natural log of S minus H. Oh, I deliberately picked K-O-S-H, except not O. But in this one, I've got this natural log of K is equal to 3 natural log of S. Now, I could put everything together, all my natural logs, or what I can do is I can multiply this by 1. Well, the natural log of E is equal to 1. So you have two options. One is to multiply by 1, which I can always just multiply by 1, and I can multiply anywhere and everywhere I want to by 1. If I do that, the other option is to, we're going to come back and do it in just a second. Okay, we'll do a second option in just a second. So I can say, okay, the natural log of K is equal to the natural log of S cubed minus the natural log of E to the H. I can make that division, and so the natural log of K is equal to the natural log of S cubed divided by E to the H. Okay, and so now, since they both have natural log of something, those somethings have to be equal. This is K is equal to S cubed over E to the H. So this is a variable, this is a variable, that is not, this is a variable, but that is not. Okay, that's that 2.7-ish. The other option would be to do this and to say the natural log of K minus 3 times the natural log of S is equal to a negative H. Or I could move this, I can switch sides, say a positive H is equal to 3 natural log of S. I'm moving this to the other side, moving that to this side, minus the natural log of K. I'm divided through by negative and switch the order. And so then I can put this together over K. And now what I'm doing here, if I switch it back, that's natural log. I can say E to the this equals that. So E to the H is equal to S cubed over K. Well, I got different answers, but notice if I multiply by K and divide by E to the H, I'm right back to here. So in both of these methods, we rewrote it without the natural log showing up, and that was our. So write the following equations without logarithms. So we did. Find x exactly. So let's see, which one do I want to do? This one I divide by 3, then I can take the natural log of both sides. The thing I like about this one is that I'm going to have to factor. So what if I jump in this one? No, I'll subtract 6, divide by 7, and then take the log of both sides, or well, I want to do C. Go check my answer key, make sure you know what you're doing on that one. On this one, I have 2 to the 3rd to the x minus 5 times 2 squared to the x equals 0. So this is 2 to the 3x minus 5 times 2 to the 2x equals 0. Notice I can factor out 2 to the 2x. And when I do, I get 2 to the x, because 2x plus 1 more x gives you 3x, minus 5 equals 0. Well, is it possible 2 to the 2x to equal 0? Hopefully you realize that it's not possible, because my graph is going to approach 0. Woo, pretend I can draw, but it's never going to get there. So there's nothing to see here. I just like writing that, I'm sorry. And the other one, if 2 to the x is equal to 5, well, now I can take the log of both sides, or I can say, okay, this is log, the base was 2, 2 to the x equals 5. So it's log base 2 of 5 equals x. You could tell me it's log of 5 over log of 2. From here, sorry, this is getting kind of messy. I like either of these answers. They're the same thing, but pick one. The other option would be to say, okay, take the log of both sides. Log of 2 to the x is equal to log of 5. Then I can bring this out in front. And then I can divide. And that matches this. Okay, go practice. The back of the worksheet is graphing, and I'm going to make another video. Good luck.